Okay, hello my dear viewers. Good day. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And to this video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ko i-convert yung 10-year-old TV namin into an Android TV. Okay, let's have first an unboxing. What's included ni box, Bluetooth voice remote, HDMI cable, power adapter. Sige nga. Present sa loob. Nabubulog pa. Siya. Yung power. From power cord. Ito yung HDMI. Ito yung remote control. So, i-convert namin yung TV namin into Android TV using this Mi Box. Bigat siya. Okay, let's connect na. So, connect na natin. So, this is the Mi Box. So, this one dito sa may game is the power, and then dito yung HDMI. Let's connect natin sa TV. So, ito ang HDMI. Parang malhat na. Short yata. Okay. Tapos, so ito yung sa power source. Dito naman yung ano niya, HDMI. And then dito, ito ang i-connect natin sa TV. Okay. This is our 10-year-old TV. Ito yung battery, ito yung remote. Nakauna yung TV. Kahit steam mo na siya. Power on. English. Canada. Philippines. Why? Bakit? Ragasa. Ano? Cut tomato. Wow, tanggal. English. Get personal results. Turn on personal results. You can use your voice to get your email contacts. So install the following apps. Continue. The Mi Box 4 is powered by Android TV. Apps from Google Play. Go to the assistant.
Download na ito rin dakuan. Google Chrome para makakuha.
Returns na.
Agree.
Then,
Android system app.
andyan na. Mayroon na Netflix.
Parang nga nakita ko.
Or pa YouTube. Okay, makaka-YouTube na tayo.
Wala kita Netflix. Para kita paro.
Okay, pwede na tayong manood.
Salamat yung i-box na kita. May
Okay, mayroon na kaming Android TV.
I said when you can unleash your ultimate. Enter the keratin universe, the Keraverse from Creamsol. Discover the power of 3 times the keratin. Relax, serum, essence.
Hindi na magkita.
A keratin universe.
Parang may kadadangan mga kuwan.
Okay, ayan
Oh
na.
no! Oh my gosh! Tingnan nyo, super big! Parang ang one piece is 1 kilo na, oh. Oh, this is sweet. Natikman ko na po ito. Masarap.
May Android TV. Then, i-back lang for more,